How to add age verification to Wix. So in order to add a age verification to Wix, what we can do is we can head over and add in here first an HTML. Click onto this add elements icon, and then from in there, head over to embed and social, and then click onto this embed code. You can click onto this plus icon or just drag and drop it to any part or any space that has we have on our actual page. So let me just head over and then drop it right around here. Now, once you have actually dropped that particular code, it will be attached right there. You can also resize it according to your liking. So once you have attached it, let's leave it as this for now and head over to our site. Sign up for an account, and then once you have signed up, search in here for age verification. You can see in here this. Click onto this right there, and then from in there you can choose a template of how it will look like. Now in here you can show in here a whiskey as well as a default. We also have some other options that we can see right here. So for this case, let's head over and then choose in here that will actually allow us to enter the date of birth. Click onto this continue with this template and then choose in here this verification method. It can be year of date or date of birth. I'll just choose that. Choose in here as well the date format. And you can also have the option to remember the visitor for a certain number of days. If the visitor is underage, you have the option to show a message like you are not old enough to view this content. So once you're done, you can also choose in here where to display it. Let's display it on all pages. Now from in there, click onto this publish icon in order to publish it. Once you have published it, it will actually show you in here the plan to install the widget. Select on the plan that you want, and once you have selected it, it will give you a code that you need to copy. So make sure to copy this code. Head over right here to your Wix Studio and click onto this enter code that we have earlier. And then just input right here the code and click on update. So it will be automatically added into your actual website just like that. So that's how you add age verification to Wix. Hope we helped.